Hey everyone, check out the Smuxee Black Wall Cabinet, a sleek and practical solution for extra bathroom storage. This small two-door medicine cabinet features adjustable shelves with 5 height options to fit all your essentials perfectly. It includes a hidden shelf behind doors to keep items dry and private, plus an open shelf for easy access or decorative touches. Made from high-quality MDF with a durable spray-painted finish, it is waterproof and resistant to erosion. Measuring 21.5 by 7.8 by 23.6 inches, it mounts on your wall to save valuable floor space. This versatile cabinet also works great in kitchens, laundry rooms, or living areas for organizing various items. Keep your home tidy and stylish with this compact, modern storage solution. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.